When the unexpected happens, a crash, a lockout, or a dashboard full of warning lights, you don't just need a fix, you need a specialist. Introducing LockNCal. We are DFW's premier mobile automotive experts. From automotive locksmithing and ADAS calibration to complex vehicle diagnostics, we bring the dealership-level technology directly to your driveway. Not in Dallas? No problem. LockNCal serves the entire nation with our specialized mail-in airbag module reset service. Don't spend thousands on new parts. Send us your damaged airbag module. We'll wipe the crash data and restore it to OEM factory condition, saving you time and money. Whether you're a body shop or a vehicle owner, trust the experts who put safety first. LockNCal. Visit lockandcal.com to book your service today.